is it that's only
Oh shit.
things always go wrong?
So real quick, this video has been color graded using Dehancer Film Emulation PRO plugin. Now if you want to get your hands on the all-in-one film look and you're liking the colors so far, you can get Dehancer at 10% off your purchase by clicking the link below or using my code SHOTBYJET. Using my code also supports and gives a little bit back to my small channel. So thank you again to the people at Dehancer, and more about them at the end of the video.
Dalawang ride. Labas lahat ng alak ko.
Ayaw mo yun?
Sa akin din yun.
Dadaan.
Okay ah. Hindi, pababa na. Ay, utik, pabalik doon, no? G? G lang.
Pag nahulog mo yung next like pa naman.
Ayun na. Buwan, gapang lang.
Ay, ito pala. Mas madali pala dito.
Ganito pala ginawa yung pyramids. Over time, the sedimentation of the rocks, the meteorologists
Buhay pa ba? Wala na siya sa loob.
Sean. It's his first major hike ever. Going
Ano sabi mo, Mars?
This is fucking crazy.
Holy fuck.
Tiring but medium difficult.
Kung gusto mo, pwede pa natin gawin yung traverse eh.
O tara!
Asa pare.
3, 2, 1, smile. Smile.
May picture ba?
Oh, hindi.
Ay,
Screenshot
naka-video.
ko lang
This screenshot.
naman.
Ah, sige.
Hey!
Ha 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 ha. Ikot na masaya. Masaya. Yay!
Rich people lang.
Okay na. Okay na. Okay na.
Okay na to.
Solid hike. On the way down.
Like you are still beautiful. You kissed, so I kissed back. Funny and sad, but it wasn't so bad. A moment of freedom, a familiar track. Here it goes again, playing shadows game. Nothing really changed.
Welcome to your vlog.
Here it goes again, playing shadows game. Nothing really changed. We are still the same. It's new for me taking a break, trying to fix the mess inside my brain and call this forward home. So many things resting in boxes, asking for a shell, and I'm wondering myself, who's the possessor?